Your skin is not just a surface, it's a storyteller. Every blemish, every glow, every dull moment whispers a secret about what's happening inside you. We treat it like armor, but in truth, it's a mirror, reflecting your hydration, your hormones, your gut, your emotions, even your sleep. You can spend fortunes on creams and serums, but if your inner world is chaotic, your skin will quietly reveal it. Think about it. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. It breathes, detoxifies, protects, feels. It's alive. Every cell up there depends on what you feed it down here. And yet, most of us try to fix it from the outside in. Scrubs, acids, masks, when real transformation happens from the inside out. So today, let's shift the story. Let's talk not about what you apply to your skin, but what you nourish it with. The foods that help your body purify, repair, and radiate naturally. No filters, no foundation, no fake glow. Just health shining through your pores. Because when you eat like someone who loves their skin, your body thanks you, not in weeks, but in days. Let's begin with something soft, creamy, and quietly powerful: the avocado. People often see it as just a trendy brunch item, but inside that green flesh lies one of the most complete skin-healing profiles nature ever designed. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, that act like natural moisturizers from within. They strengthen your skin barrier, locking in hydration so your face feels supple, not tight or tired. They're also full of vitamin E, one of the most potent antioxidants for your skin. Think of vitamin E as your skin's personal bodyguard, fighting off free radicals from pollution, sun exposure, and stress. Combine that with vitamin C, also found in avocados, and you have a duo that helps your body create collagen, that magical protein that keeps your skin firm, bouncy, and youthful. Every bite of avocado is like applying a moisturizer from the inside. Spread it on toast if you like, but know this: when you eat avocado, your skin gets smoother, your texture softens, your glow deepens. Because the real secret to dewy skin isn't found in a serum bottle, it's hidden in your breakfast bowl. Now let's talk about color. Those bright blues, purples, and reds that almost hum with energy. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries aren't just pretty, they're biochemical fireworks for your skin. Inside every tiny fruit, there's an explosion of antioxidants called anthocyanins and polyphenols, compounds that repair oxidative damage at a cellular level. When your skin feels inflamed, stressed, or dull, these compounds calm the storm. They reduce redness, prevent premature aging, and help blood flow to the skin's surface, creating that natural flush that looks like joy itself. It's not makeup, it's microcirculation. And here's something deeper. Berries don't just fight what's visible, they protect what's invisible, your DNA. They help cells replicate cleanly, so new skin grows stronger, healthier, more resilient. Eat them fresh, frozen, or blended in smoothies, but eat them daily. Nature wrapped its finest anti-aging formula in sweetness for a reason. Your glow isn't a filter, it's the echo of good choices. The next glow giver comes from the sea: salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fatty fish carry omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats your body can't make on its own, but desperately needs for smooth, even, hydrated skin. Omega-3s keep cell membranes flexible. Think of them as the invisible walls that keep moisture in and irritants out. When you're low on them, your skin becomes dry, rough, even inflamed. But when you get enough, everything changes. Your skin looks calmer, softer, more elastic. It literally shines differently under light. Beyond texture, omega-3s have another superpower. They regulate oil production. If you've battled acne, these fats can reduce sebum overproduction and calm hormonal breakouts. They're like peacekeepers for your face. And as they protect your heart and brain, they protect your skin from the inside out. Every bite of salmon isn't just a meal, it's therapy. It tells your body, let's heal in harmony. Now, let's honor the unsung heroes, the small things that make the biggest difference. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, sunflower seeds are like your daily dose of magic. They're loaded with zinc, selenium, and vitamin E, minerals that rebuild your skin like tiny construction workers. Zinc fights acne by regulating oil glands and speeding up wound healing. Selenium neutralizes oxidative stress, protecting against wrinkles and pigmentation, and those healthy fats keep your skin glowing through every season. But let's not forget the simplest nutrient of all, water. Most people underestimate it, but hydration is the foundation of beauty. Without it, your cells can't detoxify properly. Your blood can't circulate nutrients efficiently. You can eat all the right foods, but if you're dehydrated, your glow will fade like a candle in wind. So drink consciously. Add lemon or cucumber slices, green tea, or herbal infusions, but make water your daily ritual. Because no superfood works without hydration. It's the medium through which all magic happens. And here's the truth. Clear skin isn't perfection, it's balance. When you eat for balance, your body listens. We often chase glow as an aesthetic, as something we can photograph or compliment. But real glow isn't cosmetic, it's emotional. It's the peace that comes when your body and mind are nourished together. When you start feeding yourself not out of guilt but gratitude, when every bite becomes an act of love instead of punishment, your body begins to radiate differently. The stress hormones that dull your skin begin to fall. Your digestion improves, your eyes clear, you sleep deeper. That's when the glow appears, not forced, but effortless. Because glowing skin is not about having no flaws, it's about being in alignment with yourself. Eat the colors of the earth: green avocados, purple berries, golden turmeric, coral salmon, silver seeds. Each shade tells your cells, you are alive, you are healing, you are enough. So the next time you look in the mirror, don't just ask, what should I fix? Ask, what should I nourish? Your body already knows how to shine. It just needs your partnership. Don't forget to subscribe. Vital Dynasty.